The first thing I would ask that person would be, how are you being harassed? So are you being picked on for race, religion, gender, national origin, age, pregnancy, disability, those sorts of things? If it's not those things, are you being harassed sexually? If it falls outside of all those things that I just described, then it really falls to your employer to decide whether or not they want to intervene.
You certainly have the right to complain to members of management or HR within your company to let them know what you're experiencing so that they have an opportunity to correct and prevent the harassment that you're experiencing.
If you have complained about harassment and it's still happening, what you want to make sure you do is start documenting that you've complained and document the harassment itself. So start taking notes about it. In Georgia, you're allowed to tape record someone so you can record the harassment.
We can't always guarantee that just because it happened one time that you have a legal action and you can go sue your employer. But what it does is it establishes a paper trail.
The public has a common misconception that maybe it's illegal to be just generally harassed. If you've got a really irate, angry boss that curses and yells at everybody, well, that's not illegal.
If you're in a hostile work environment because the personality clashes, then what you're going to have to do is still follow the rules that your company has in place. Report it to HR, go to your manager or your manager's manager, and let them know that there's a hostile environment, because the company still needs to make sure that the environment is one that protects employees from negativity.
The law doesn't always guarantee fairness. The law doesn't make it illegal for a boss to be a bully or to be rude. Generally, for harassment to be illegal, it has to be based on who you are, your race, your gender, or you have a disability, your religion.
So many people are scared of losing their job when they're in a situation where they're being discriminated against or harassed, and you're protected from retaliation. The company's not allowed to take adverse action against you. They're not allowed to fire you. That doesn't mean that all the companies actually follow the law, which is why we're in business.